Bitcoin targets all-time high. Bitcoin is back above 100k and targets a new all-time high. Will Bitcoin be able to break its all-time high? Let's find it out in today's analysis. Hello people, I'm the NakedTrader and today I will analyze Bitcoin USDT, International Business Machines Corporation, also known as IBM, Under Armour Incorporated, official Trump USDT, Cardano USDT, and Ethereum USDT. If you're not a member of Team NakedTrader yet, would you be so kind to press the subscribe button? It will help me a lot. And for now, let's kick off with the weekly performance of the crypto market. Overall, a nice mixed week. Some green, some red ones. 195% for Fartcoin. H-bar went up 19.8. XDC 37.7. OKB 19.5. Bonk went up 20.6. Ripple 24.1, Jupiter 47.1, Ray 68.1, Solana 56.2, and we have some red numbers. Pengu minus 17.9, Move minus 16.1, Mental minus 12.5, and from the weekly I will change to the daily. Look at this, Trump is up 238%. I'll analyze it later, so don't miss it out. Jupiter 19.9, Solana 21.8, Fartcoin 54.8, and the rest in red. Pepe minus 12.9, Quant minus 8.4, Rune minus 9. And from here, let's go to coin market cap. Currently, we have a market cap of 3.6 trillion with a 24-hour volume of 193.13 billion. That's a lot. And the trending coins are Trump, Solana, Ethereum, Jupiter, and Ondo. Current fear and greed is indicated at 66, which is in the greed zone. And the top 10 coins of the day are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Solana, Binance, Dogecoin, Cardano, and Tron. And from here I will go to the weekly performance of the stock market. We had a nice green week overall, but we do have some red ones. Apple went down 2.90, Intuit minus 3.10, Infosize minus 6.65, Lily minus 9.27, Novo Nordisk minus 8.78, and the rest all in green. GPM more than 8% up, Berkshire Hathaway 6% up, and a lot more. From here I will go to Bitcoin, starting at the weekly. About 12.5 hours to close this week's candle. Nice green week. Currently at the last resistance before a new all-time high. And if we manage to close this week's candle above 104,500, then next week can be a potential weekly gain of the previous high. So very interesting what will happen over here. And let me show last week's scenarios. I will change to the daily. So we created a higher high, a daily gain of the previous high here. So let me adjust the scenarios. This one got front-runted a little bit. It went as low as 89,117 on the green line here. And last week I mentioned that I didn't want to play the test of the test. That's why I was searching an entry a little lower, but it got front-runted here. But if you enter the long over here, then you're in a nice play. For now, let me remove this one. So this scenario is still in play. The pullback with the entry here at 97,960. And else, if the price reject the previous all-time high, then an entry around 95,079, trying to go up from there. And if the price managed to go up, probably test the 110,000 pullback, entry around 101,580, aiming to break 110,000. So 3 potential scenarios for Bitcoin the coming days. And from Bitcoin, I will go to IBM. I've charted this one somewhere in April 2024. And if you had played the long year, the entry of 165.04, then you could have been in profits more than 44%. So congratulations if you had played this one. I will post a link of the previous analysis in the description so you can check it out if you like. Amazing, more than 44% within a year for a stock. That is good. So for now, let me start at the monthly. And I would like to start with a clean chart. So it just printed an all-time high recently. And from the monthly, I will change to the weekly. In a higher high, no weekly gain. It tested back to this year around 212, 213. Okay. So if the price rejects, then I would wait for an entry around 185.72, trying to go up from there. If the price managed to print a new all-time high, pullback with an entry at 227 for the continuation play. And if the price fall through support at 185, then I would wait for entry around 173.22. So here, three potential scenarios for IBM the coming days. And from here, I will go to Under Armour. Another one. I've tried this one also somewhere in March 2024. And look at this. The entry of $6.04 got hit. Flawless entry. Amazing instant profits. And if you have played this one, you could have had more than 75% profits. I'll post a link of the previous analysis in the description so you can check it out if you like. So that was this play. Yeah. And look at this. Price action is insane. After the gain, there was a pullback. Another flawless entry at $6.43. And this one. So you could have played the short, the long. Yeah. Price action repeats itself always. So, okay. For now, I would like to start with the clean chart here as well. And I will start at the monthly. Currently at all-time low area. Okay. And monthly rejection went back to the start of the impulse. Okay, I will change to the weekly. Okay, and from the weekly, I would like to see the daily. Okay, I will go back to the weekly and I will make a plan for the coming days for Under Armour. If the price managed to go up from here, and let's say test around $8.80, pull back with entry at $7.88, aiming to break the $9.18. If the price managed to go up more aggressive from here, and let's say test $10.90, pullback with entry around $8.80 for the continuation play. And if the price drops further, then I will be very defensive and pick the entry between 645 and 670, trying to go up from there because that's the last line of defense. If it loses support over there, then we will see new all-time lows, and then we need to wait for the reversal, something like this. Yeah, so 4 potential scenarios for Under Armour, and from here I will go to official Trump USDT. Look at this. So over the last few days the price went up more than 2,343%. So congratulations if you're in, take some profits there if you didn't took it yet. And for now I will go to the weekly. I will go back to the daily. There's not a lot of price information here, but let's see what I can do. 4 hours. 15 minutes. I'll go back to the daily. This is high risk play, but I would wait for entry between $28 and $32, trying to go up from there, and else all the way back until around $3.35, trying to go up from there, and else if the price managed to go up more from here, pull back with entry around $47.60, trying to go up from there. But I prefer either entry between 28 and 32 or the most defensive play. The price already up so much, so this very high risk play. And from here I will go to Cardano USDT, another one. Look at this on the daily. I will change to the 4-hour and make it more clear for you. I've charted this one early November 2024, and look at this. The short at 65 cents got filled. Pullback, flawless entry here at 51 cents. Look at this. If you had played this one, then you could have had 155% profits. Congratulations if you had played this one. I will post a link of the previous video in the description so you can check it out. And for now, I would like to start with a clean chart here as well. So I will start at the weekly. Let me add some levels here. And let's see if Cardano can do the same as XRP. On the weekly, a nice high here, a pullback, the most aggressive entry. That was the top from here, tested over there. So basically the top of this whole range, tested back, weekly rejection, went back to the start of this impulse. Okay, let me change to the daily. On the daily, we do have a daily gain of the previous high, the high of $1.09. So that's nice. Pullback. I will change to the weekly and I will make a plan for the coming days. If the price keeps rejecting, then I would aim for the entry here at around 61 cents, trying to go up from there. And if it fall through support at 60 cents, then the next entry around 40 cents, trying to go up from there, and if the price managed to go up, let's say test $1.46, pullback with entry just above $1, $1.01 or $1.02, aiming for the continuation play even as high as $2.03. And if the price goes up more aggressive, daily gain of $1.46, pullback with entry at $1.20 for the continuation play to break the $2.03. So 4 potential scenarios here for Cardano the coming days, and from here I will go to Ethereum, starting on the weekly. About 12 hours and 15 minutes to close this week's candle. We are having a red week so far, not looking strong. Went back to the start of this impulse here, even lower. And let me show last week scenarios. From the weekly I will change to the daily. We got a front run, the entry of 2,857 got front run that year with just about $60. It went as low as 2,918. So let me remove this one. The short, you could have played the short here at 3,482. And then you're in profit already about almost 10%. Congratulations. Take some profits there. And place your stop loss lower in the short. So this one is not in play anymore. Let me remove this one as well. So if it fall through support here, then the next entry will be here at 2,618. And also the entry here between 2,695 and 2,746. And if the price managed to go up, then I would like to see a test of 3,640 pullback with the entry around 3,271, aiming for the 3,761, and else the test of 3,893 from here immediately, pullback with entry at 3,484, aiming to break the 4,064. So 4 potential scenarios for Ethereum the coming days. And for now, enjoy your day. If you have any requests, drop it in the comments below and I might try it. For now, see you later.